Biology made up of two Greek words, bios meaning living organisms, logos meaning to study. Biology deals with study of all about living organisms. फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी एरिस्टोटल, अरस्तु भी बोलते हैं एरिस्टोटल को. बॉटनी ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फाइटोलॉजी, बॉटनी डील्स विथ स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट्स. फादर ऑफ बॉटनी साइंटिस्ट थियोफ्रास्टस. जूलॉजी मेड अप ऑफ टू ग्रीक वर्ड्स, जून मीनिंग एनिमल्स, लॉगस मीनिंग टू स्टडी. जूलॉजी डील्स विथ स्टडी ऑफ एनिमल्स. फादर ऑफ जूलॉजी साइंटिस्ट एरिस्टोटल, इनको अरस्तु भी प्रोनाउंसिएट करते हैं. डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेल. सेल इज स्मॉलेस्ट बेसिक फंडामेंटल structural and functional unit of life or living organisms that shows free existence. Hierarchy of complex body organization. Atom, group of atom, molecule, group of molecules, compound, compound organize होके cell organelle बनाएंगे, cell organelle organize होके cell बनाएंगे, group of cells tissue, group of tissues organ, group of organs organ system, ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन सिस्टम बॉडी या ऑर्गेनिज्म बनाएंगे. डिस्कवरी ऑफ सेल. रॉबर्ट हुक 1665 इन कॉर्क ऑफ स्पेनिश ओक ट्री, साइंटिफिक नेम क्वेरकस, ऑब्जर्व्ड हेक्सागोनल honeycomb like empty chambers called as cellula, laterally converted in cell. Cell theory given in 1839. Cell theory given by Matthias Jakob Schleiden, German botanist, and Theodor Swan, British zoologist. Schleiden said plant body is made up of different cells. Cells together form plant tissues. Swan said animal cell has flexible elastic covering called cell membrane. Swan also said plant cell has unique rigid hard outer covering called cell wall, which is characteristic feature of plant cell. Statements in cell theory. Cell is basic, smallest, fundamental unit of life showing free existence. Cell made up of cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Plants and animals are result of cells and cell products. Cell has nucleus. Nucleus contains genetic material, that is DNA. DNA express and inherit characters. Function of organisms depend on functions of cells and cell components and coordination among them. Omnis cellula e cellula, that is new cells arise from pre-existing cells by cell division. Statement given by Rudolf Virchow 1855. Exceptions of cell theory. Virus, acellular organism, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus absent. Mature RBC and mature sieve tube are enucleated or anucleated cells, that is nucleus absent. Many organisms or cells, they are unicellular, multinucleated, having more than one nuclei. For example, like Opelina, hypha of Rhizopus, Paramecium, Cynocytic plant cells, Syncytium animal cells. An overview of cell. To study plant cell, onion peel used. To study animal cell, cheek cell used. Cell has three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane, protective covering of cell. Cytoplasm, arena of biosynthetic activities performed by cell organelles. Nucleus, brain or controller of cell, controls cellular activities. Cells are of two types: prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, nucleus absent, primitive nucleus present, membrane bound cell organelles absent, 70s ribosome present. Eukaryotic cell, true well-developed nucleus present, membrane-bound cell organelles present, ATS-type ribosome. Size of cells. Smallest cell, mycoplasma, PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism, 0.1 to 0.3 micrometer. Largest cell, ostrich egg, 170 into 150 millimeter or 15 centimeter. Longest cell, nerve cell या neuron 90 centimeter to 1 meter. Longest plant cell, acetabularia green algae 10 centimeter. Virus 0.02 से 0.2 micrometer. RBC 7 micrometer size. Typical bacteria 1 to 2 micrometer size. In general, bacteria 3 to 5 micrometer in size. Shapes of cells: oval, spherical, disc-like, cuboidal, columnar, polygonal, spindle shape, irregular shape. Oval shaped, for example, egg cell. Polygonal, for example, liver cell. Elongated branched, for example, neuron nerve cell. Branched cell, for example, pigment cell of skin. Spindle shaped, for example, muscle cell. Slipper shaped, for example, paramecium. Differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Small, large. Primitive nucleus, true advanced nucleus. Nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, etc. absent. Present. Circular double-strand DNA, linear double-strand DNA. Naked nucleoid DNA, DNA present as chromatin. Histone protein absent, present. G triple bond C more than A double bond T, A double bond T more than G triple bond C. Plasmid present, absent. Membrane bound cell organelles absent, present. 70S ribosome, 80S ribosome, main ribosome. Compartmentization absent, present. Flagella made up of flagellin protein, flagella made up of tubulin protein. Differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. True vacuole, that is sap vacuole, absent, present. Pseudo vacuole, that is gas vacuole, present, absent. Centrosome and centriole absent, present. Cilia absent, present. Unstacked scattered thylakoids. Thylakoids stacked as granum. Cyclosis, that is cytoplasmic streaming, absent, present. Cytoskeleton absent, present. Single envelope present, double envelope present. Differences between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, animal cell. Cell wall present, absent. Plastids, chloroplast present, absent. Few large vacuoles present, many small vacuoles present. Golgi body present as dictyosome, Golgi body present as Golgi complex. Centrosome, centriole absent, present. Cell plate method of cytokinesis, cell furrow or cleavage furrow method of cytokinesis. Cannot change shape. Can change shape. Differences between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, animal cell. Cannot change position. Few cells can change position. Nucleus present at periphery. Nucleus present at periphery. Nucleus present in center. Light trapping pigments like chlorophyll, carotenoid, etc. present, absent. Anastral or eccentric spindle fiber, astral or centric spindle fibers. Centrifugal cytokinesis, centripetal cytokinesis. Stored food is starch, stored food is glycogen. Prokaryotic cell. All bacteria represent prokaryotic cell, like Archaebacteria on the name of methanogens, halophiles, thermoacidophiles, and eubacteria on the name of blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria, Rickettsia, Chlamydia, Actinomycetes, and Mycoplasma, etc. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Cell envelope made up of three layers. Small a, glycocalyx, outermost layer, two forms, that is slime layer and capsule. Slime layer, thin, loosely attached, sheath-like, prevents loss of water and nutrients. Capsule, thick, tightly attached, gives gummy or sticky nature, protects from antibiotics and host immune system. Slime layer made up of mucopolysaccharides, capsule made up of polysaccharide, protein and lipid. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Small b, cell wall. Below glycocalyx and above cell membrane. Middle layer of cell envelope provides shape. Made up of peptidoglycan, also called mucopeptide, also called murine. Consists of N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetylmuramic acid, polysaccharide and protein. Absent in mycoplasma. In gram-negative positive bacteria, single layer cell wall. In gram-negative bacteria, two layered cell wall. Outer lipopolysaccharide, inner peptidoglycan. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Small c, cell membrane. Third, inner layer of cell envelope. Flexible, elastic, selectively permeable. Structurally and chemically similar to cell membrane of eukaryotic cell. Consist of hopanoids instead of cholesterol, which provides strength to the cell membrane. Cell membrane involved in respiration, lipid synthesis and formation of cell wall. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Number 2, mesosome. Balloon-like infold of cell membrane. Consists of tubules, lamella and vesicles. Increases surface area of cell membrane. Found in gram-positive bacteria. Involved in cell wall formation, DNA replication and distribution to daughter cells, respiration, ATP synthesis, secretion process, increase surface area of cell membrane and enzyme content. Number 3, chromatophore. Network-like membranous extension of cell membrane. Found in photosynthetic bacteria, contains pigment, for example, found in blue-green algae, purple and green bacteria. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Number 4, cytoplasm. Semi-fluid crystallocolloidal material, does not contain membrane-bound cell organelles. Contain different compounds, stored food, that is inclusion bodies, 70S ribosomes. Number 5, genetic material. Naked circular double-stranded DNA, not associated with histone and non-histone chromosomal proteins. Not present inside nucleus, suspended in cytoplasm, called nucleoid, prochromosome, xenophore. Only exons, introns are absent. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Plasmid, extragenetic or chromosomal or DNA material. Circular double-stranded, self-replicative, can be one or more in number. Provides additional features or phenotypes to the bacteria. Types: sex, fertility, F plasmid. Provides fertility or sexuality to the bacteria. Helps in conjugation. F plasmid present, F positive, donor or male bacteria. F plasmid absent, F negative, recipient or female bacteria. F plasmid helps in pili formation. Resistant or R plasmid provides resistant against antibiotics. helps in capsule formation. Cholinogenic or colplasmid helps in tolerating attack of other bacteria growing in same culture medium. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Most common occurring bacteria, Bacillus type, rod shaped. Coccus bacteria, round or oval shaped. They are non-motile, non-flagellated. Ribosome, membraneless cell organelle made up of ribonucleoprotein structure, represent ribonucleoprotein structure, rRNA plus proteins. 70S type, large subunit 50S, small subunit 30S, 20 into 15 nanometer size, present freely in cytoplasm or attached with cell membrane, involved in translation, that is synthesis of proteins, polyribosome, polysome, ergosome, more than 1, 2 to 8 ribosomes attached simultaneously with single messenger RNA strand. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Inclusion bodies, non-living, dead, organic and inorganic, reserved or stored materials present in cytoplasm, not covered by any true membrane, present as granules. For example, Synophysian starch, also called alpha granule, lipid globules, also called beta granules, protein granule, phosphate reserve, also called volutin granule, sulfur granule, polyhydroxybutyrate PHB granule, carboxysome. These are covered by false unit protein membrane. Gas vacuole provide buoyancy. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Flagella, long filamentous unistrand, made of flagellin protein, provide motility, help in locomotion. Pili, long, hollow, broad, tubular, made of pillin protein, help in attachment of one bacterium with other bacterium during conjugation. Fimbriae, small, short, narrow, solid, bristle-like, attachment of bacterium over solid substratum and host cell or tissue. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Flagella, basal body, hook, filament. Basal body rod-like, present inside cell. Hook bend thickest part, filament longest thread-like. Hook and filament present outside the cell. Basal body, two parts, rod and rings. There are 4 rings, M ring, S ring, P ring and L ring. M and S rings present in cell membrane represent proximal rings. P and L rings present in cell wall represent distal rings. Gram staining technique developed by H.C. Gram. Take a slide, place bacterial smear or culture stained with crystal violet, that is Gram stain, an alkaline solution. Bacteria become bluish purple. Treated with 0.5% iodine solution, acts as mordant or fixture, form crystal violet iodine complex. Washed with dilute 90% alcohol or acetone. Bacteria retained Gram stain, that is bluish purple color, called Gram positive bacteria. Bacteria lose Gram stain, bluish purple color and become colorless, called Gram negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria, Gram negative bacteria. Bluish purple color, colorless. Single layered cell wall, 2 layered cell wall. Thick cell wall 20 to 80 nanometer, thin cell wall 8 to 12 nanometer. More peptidoglycan 70 to 80%, less peptidoglycan 10 to 20%. Less lipid content, more lipid content. Smooth cell wall, wavy cell wall. टिकोइक एसिड प्रेजेंट, टिकोइक एसिड एब्सेंट, lysozyme treatment, protoplast left, lysozyme treatment is ferroplast left. Few gram positive bacteria are pathogenic, more gram negative bacteria are pathogenic. Types of bacterial cells based on shape. Coccus plural cocci, spherical oval shape. Monococcus single, Diplococcus 2, Streptococcus chain, Staphylococcus irregular grape-like, Sarcina 3-dimension cubicle-like. Bacillus plural bacilli, cylindrical rod shape. Spirillum, spiral coil cork screw shape. Vibrio comma shape या curve. Types of bacteria based on flagellation. Atrichus flagella absent. Monotrichus single flagellum at one end. Amphitrichus single flagellum at both ends. Lopotrichus group of flagella at one end. Cephalotrichus group of flagella at both ends. Peritrichus flagella present all over the surface. Eukaryotic cell made up of three components: cell wall found only in plant cells, cell membrane and protoplasm. Protoplasm made up of two components: cytoplasm and nucleus. Cytoplasm made up of two components: cytosol and cell organelles. Eukaryotic cell wall. In bacteria, peptidoglycan, NAG plus NAM. In fungi, chitin, fungal cellulose, polymer of NAG. In algae, cellulose, galactans, mannans, calcium carbonate. In higher plants, cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, pectin, suberin, cutin, xylem, etc. Cell wall in higher plants. Three parts. First, middle lamella, outermost layer, amorphous, cement-like, present between two adjacent cells. First layer to be formed during cytokinesis, more calcium pectate plus magnesium pectate. Primary wall, middle layer, thin, elastic, expandable, more cellulose, more hemicellulose, less cellulose, water, protein, pectin, lipid, etc. Process called intersusception diminishes during maturity. For example, meristem cell, parenchyma cell, collenchyma cell, leaf, fruit, flower cells. Cell wall in higher plants. Secondary wall, innermost layer just above cell membrane, thick, dead, non-flexible, non-elastic, non-expandable, found in mature cells, more cellulose, less hemicellulose, lignin, pectin, cutin, suberin, etc. Process of formation called accretion. For example, sclerenchyma fibers, sclerids, tracheids, vessels, etc. Tertiary cell wall present in tracheids of xylem of gymnosperms made up of hemicellulose and xylems. Plasmodesmata, Strasburger 1901. Cytoplasmic bridge, tube-like junction formed between two adjacent plant cells, represents living structure passing through dead cell wall. Tubule-like extension of endoplasmic reticulum of adjacent plant cells passing through plasmodesmata called desmotubule. Cell membrane, also called plasma membrane, plasma lemma, biomembrane, forms outer covering of animal cell, present below cell wall in plant cell, present outside the cytoplasm as well as inside the cytoplasm in the form of covering of membrane bound cell organelles. Thin, living, flexible, elastic, selectively permeable with reference to solutes or semi-permeable with reference to water, able to receive external stimuli or stresses. Cell membrane, fluid mosaic model, recently given, widely accepted model, given by Singer and Nicholson 1972, also called icebergs of proteins floating in the ocean of lipids, or gulab jamun, that is proteins present in sugar solution, that is lipid. Cell membrane made up of protein, lipid, carbohydrate and water. Proteins present as mosaic pattern with lipid layers of cell membrane. Cell membrane, fluid mosaic model, fluid mosaic model, lipid present in the form of phospholipid, forms bilayer structure of cell membrane. Phospholipid has two parts, head hydrophilic and tail hydrophobic. Lipid bilayer rich in unsaturated fatty acids provide fluidity nature to cell membrane. Cell membrane is quasi-fluid in nature. Phospholipid bilayer form boundary/frame of cell membrane. Head made up of glycerol and phosphate, tail made up of unsaturated fatty acids. Cell membrane, fluid mosaic model, proteins arranged randomly with phospholipid bilayer are of two types based on location or ease of extraction. Extrinsic surface peripheral proteins can be removed easily. Intrinsic integral internal proteins removal is difficult. Membrane destruction by detergent required. Tunnel transmembrane protein large passes through phospholipid bilayer. Spectrin protein present on inner side of RBC cell membrane. Cell membrane, carbohydrate, also called glycan, present in the form of oligosaccharides, 8 to 9 monosaccharides, can be branched or unbranched. Carbohydrates attached with proteins of cell membrane called glycoproteins. Carbohydrates attached with lipids head part of cell membrane called glycolipids. Both glycoproteins and glycolipids present on outer side of cell membrane and absent on inner side of cell membrane. Involved in recognition between self and non-self, recognition of sperms by ovum, antigen-antibody interaction. Cell membrane, cholesterol, a type of sterol modified lipid, absent in cell membrane of prokaryotes. Instead, hopenoids present. Solid made up of more saturated fatty acids present in between phospholipid molecules, provide strength or stability to cell membrane during stress conditions like high temperature, cold, etc. Cell membrane, important points. Cell membrane is quasi-fluid, half solid, half liquid in nature. Cell membrane is asymmetrical in nature. Lecithin found on upper lipid layer and cephalin found on lower lipid layer. Glycoprotein and glycolipid present towards outer side of cell membrane. More cholesterol in upper lipid layer and less cholesterol in lower lipid layer. Less proteins towards upper lipid layer and more proteins towards lower lipid layer. Cell membrane is amphipathic, having hydrophobic and hydrophilic parts. Lipid molecules show flip-flop movements rarely. Cell membrane transport across cell membrane. For small particles, two methods: passive transport, diffusion. Active transport. Passive transport, two types: simple diffusion, along concentration gradient, no carriers, no energy. Facilitated diffusion, along concentration gradient, carriers present but no energy. Active transport, against concentration gradient, carriers present, energy needed. For large particles, two types: endocytosis, exocytosis. Endocytosis, two types: phagocytosis, cell eating; pinocytosis, cell drinking. Exocytosis means cell vomiting or ephagy. Simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, active transport. Lipid soluble hydrophobic neutral particles. Lipid insoluble hydrophilic particles, polar particles. Charged particles, ions, salts, etc. No ATP, no carrier proteins. No ATP, carrier proteins needed. Both ATP and carrier proteins needed. High to low concentration, high to low concentration, low to high concentration. Along concentration gradient, against concentration gradient. Downhill, downhill, uphill. Inhibitor insensitive, inhibitor sensitive, inhibitor sensitive. Saturation effect absent, saturation effect present, saturation effect present. Rotation of carrier proteins absent, rotation of carrier proteins present. No effect of oxygen, no effect of oxygen affected by oxygen concentration. Bulk transport, transport of large solid, liquid or waste particles across cell membrane. Two types: endocytosis, exocytosis. Endocytosis, intake of large particles by cell. Exocytosis, throwing of undigested waste particles out by the cell, also called cell vomiting or ephagy. Endocytosis, two types: phagocytosis, intake of solid particles, food, etc., performed by vesicle called phagosome, also called cell eating. Pinocytosis, intake of liquid materials, performed by vesicle called pinosome, also called cell drinking. Protoplasm, discovered by Dujardin, called as Charcot. Term protoplasm given by J.E. Purkinje. Julian Huxley called protoplasm as physical and physiological basis of life. Protoplasm, all the cellular components present below cell membrane, includes cytoplasm and nucleus. Cytosol, pure semi-fluid matrix of cell, 90% water plus all biomolecules plus excretory and secretory substances plus ions, salts, gases, etc. Also called haloplasm. Cytoplasm, cytosol plus all membrane bound and membraneless structures except nucleus. Protoplasm, cytoplasm plus nucleus. Protoplast, protoplasm plus cell membrane, a cell without cell wall. Cell organelles, living metabolically active membrane bound or membraneless structures suspended in cytoplasm, have characteristic morphology, structure, distinctive chemical composition and definite functions, represent cellular machineries of cell performing different but specific functions for maintenance of life. Single membrane bound structures: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, vacuole. Microbodies on the name of peroxisome, spherosome, glyoxysome. Double membrane bound structures: mitochondria, plastids on the name of leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast. Nucleus, membraneless structures: ribosome, centrosome and centriole. Cytoskeleton on the name of microtubule, microfilament, intermediate filament and cilia or flagella. Endomembrane system represents membrane bound different cell organelles whose functions are closely coordinated. Represents structurally different cell organelles performing their functions in coordinated manner. Includes four cell organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, vacuole. These four cell organelles are single membrane bound organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum represents three-dimensional, complicated, interconnected membranous channel spread throughout cytoplasm, attached with cell membrane as well as nuclear membrane, represented as either finger-like infold of cell membrane or finger-like outfold of nuclear membrane as well. Divides a cell internally into two compartments: luminal, intraluminal compartment and extraluminal compartment, made up of three components: cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Endoplasmic reticulum, two types: agranular endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes absent, present near cell membrane. Granular endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, 80S ribosomes present, attached by ribofourin 1 and ribofourin 2, present near nuclear membrane. Golgi body represents darkly stained reticular system present near nucleus as complex structure, made up of cisternae, sacules, tubules, vesicles and Golgian vacuole. 4 to 8 flattened sac-like, concentrically present, parallelly arranged, interconnected, curved, lens-shaped structures having bulged ends, and tubules, vesicles are present at periphery of cisternae. Divided into two poles, phases: convex phase, cis phase, immature phase, forming phase, receiving phase, near the nucleus. Concave phase, trans phase, mature phase, transport phase, departure phase, shipping phase, away from nucleus towards cell membrane. Lysosome, in Greek, lysis meaning digestive, soma meaning body. Small vesicle-like single membrane bound structure filled with digestive or hydrolytic or acidic enzymes. Size 0.2 to 0.8 micrometer. Discovered by Christian de Duve, 1955. Originated from a system called GERL, Golgi body, associated endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, by process of packaging performed by Golgi body. Lysosomal enzymes active in acidic pH 3 to 5 or pH 5. Lysosome may contain up to 50 different enzymes. Enzymes also called acid hydrolases. Types of lysosome. Lysosome is polymorphic cell organelle. 4 types based on physiological and functional forms. Primary lysosome, storage vesicle, newly originated lysosome having inactive enzymes. Secondary lysosome, heterophagosome, digestive vacuole, formed after fusion of phagosome with primary lysosome, have active enzymes. Acidic environment maintained by active uptake of proton ions, performs digestion of food, pathogen, etc. Tertiary lysosome, residual body, telolysosome, lysosome having undigested waste materials perform EPhagy, autophagosome, autosome, phagolysosome, digestion of old, expired, dead cell organelles, act as disposal unit. Vacuole represents extra cytoplasmic space bounded by single membrane. Types of vacuole based on content and function. Sac vacuole, single membrane vesicle originated from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In mature plant cell, single large sap vacuole present. In animal cell, many small sap vacuoles present. In plant cell, sap vacuole occupies 90% part of cell. Sap vacuole involved in storage of all materials. Water soluble pigments like anthocyanin, anthochlor, beta-cyanin also present. Membrane called tonoplast perform active uphill transport, also called storehouse of cell. Food vacuole found in unicellular protists, protozoans, and certain unicellular algae like chlorella, etc. represent a vacuole or vesicle formed by outfold of cell membrane around food or pathogen, also called phagosome. Contractile vacuole found in freshwater protozoans, water canal system of sponges help in osmoregulation or water balance. Analogous to kidney of human, contractile vacuoles are formed and destroyed continuously in cell. Air vacuole, gas vacuole, pseudovacuole found in prokaryotic cell like blue-green algae, purple and green bacteria has false unit protein membrane filled with gases provide buoyancy. Mitochondria, initial name bioplast, all mitochondria of single cell called chondriome. To visualize under microscope stained with genus green B, diameter 0.2 to 1.0 micrometer, length 1.0 to 4.1 micrometer, shape sausage or cylindrical, double membrane bound, outer membrane smooth, continuous, 60% protein, 40% lipid, inner membrane finger-like in folds, 80% protein, 20% lipid, outer membrane porins present, cardiolipins absent, inner membrane vice versa, space between two membrane perimitochondrial space, semi-fluid material called matrix, finger-like in folds called cristae. Matrix has enzymes, circular DNA rich in G triple bond C 70S ribosomes. Over inner membrane, oxysomes or elementary or F0, F1 particles present. Chloroplast, green colored plastid, having abundance of chlorophyll pigments, found in green parts of plants like leaf, length 5 to 10 micrometer, diameter 2 to 4 micrometer, shape generally lens shaped, double membrane bound, both are smooth, continuous, outer membrane has porins, space between membrane called periplastidial space, semi-fluid material or matrix called stroma. In stroma, 20 to 40 grana, circular double-strand DNA, 70S ribosomes, enzymes like Rubisco, etc. present. Single granum has a stack of 4 to 10 thylakoids. Thylakoid, sac or disc or coin-like structure represents third envelope system in plant cell. Grana connected by stroma lamellae or fat membrane. Ribosome, dense small granule-like structure seen under electron microscope. Membraneless cell organelle made up of rRNA and proteins, also called ribonucleoprotein structure. It is universal cell organelle found in prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells, made up of two subunits. Large subunit dome-like, small subunit cap-like. Ribosome is a dimer structure. Magnesium ion concentration more than 0.001 mole needed for joining of both subunits. Ribosomal subunits are synthesized by nucleolus. Two types, 80S, 60S large subunit, 40S small subunit, found in eukaryotic cell. 70S, 50S large subunit, 30S small subunit found in prokaryotic cells, mitochondria, and plastids. S represent Swedberg unit or sedimentation coefficient. Polyribosome, polysome, ergosome. More than one ribosomes simultaneously attached with single mRNA strand involved in synthesis of multiple copies of same polypeptide or protein. Cytoskeleton, framework or supporting structures of cell. Small, minute, fibrillar, filamentous, tubular, elaborate, extensive network of proteinaceous structure. Found in eukaryotic cell, absent in prokaryotic cell. Provide and maintain shape of cell, transportation, help in orientation and distribution of cell organelles, form structural component of spindle fiber, cilia, flagella, centriole, etc. Microtubule, small, hollow, non-contractile, tube-like structure made up of tubulin protein. Two types, alpha tubulin and beta tubulin. Polymerization needs calcium ion and GTP, guanosine triphosphate. Diameter 25 nanometer or 250 angstrom. Lumen 15 nanometer or 150 angstrom. Single microtubule made up of 13 protofilaments. Microfilament, solid unbranched contractile fibrils made up of actin proteins. Single microfilament made up of two twisted actin filaments. Diameter 6 to 8 nanometer, generally 7 nanometer. Microfilament plus myosin protein is equal to myofilament found in muscle cell. Intermediate filament, rod-like non-contractile structure made up of acidic proteins like laminin, vimentin, desmin, keratin proteins, etc. Microtubule shows polarity, one end called alpha end, negative end, disassembly end. Shortening occurs from alpha end. Other end called beta end, positive end, assembly end. Elongation of microtubule occurs from beta end. Diameter of intermediate filament is equal to 10 nanometer. Centrosome and centriole, membraneless cell organelle found in animal cells and flagellated plant cells, generally absent in plant cells, present near nucleus or just outside nucleus. Centriole occur in pair called diplosome. Two centrioles present perpendicular 90 degree. Granular amorphous part of cytoplasm present around diplosome called centrosphere or chymoplasm. Diplosome, that is centrioles plus chymoplasm or centrosphere together called centrosome. The structure of centriole, TS of centriole. Centriole is a cylindrical structure. A single centriole made up of 27 microtubules, tubulin protein arranged in 9+0 manner. 9 triplets of microtubules present at periphery and no microtubule present in center. Each triplet has 3 microtubules named A, B and C. Each triplet present at 40 degree to next triplet. Triplets are connected through CA linker protein. In center, protein mass called hub. From hub, 9 radial spokes develop. Each has dark X protein, light Y protein present between X. Above each triplet, pericentriolar satellite or nacelle or MTG present. In centriole, each triplet has 33 to 35 protofilaments. A microtubule is complete with 13 protofilaments. B and C microtubules have 10 to 11 protofilaments. Cilia and flagella, both are fine hair-like cytoplasmic projections. Cilia are smaller than flagella, both made up of microtubules, tubulin protein. Both have 20 microtubules arranged in 9 plus 2 manner, that is 9 doublets of microtubules at periphery and 2 singlets of microtubules present in center. Flagella found in all plant members except angiosperms. Both have 3 parts: basal body or blepharoplast, basal plate, shaft. Shaft has 2 parts, covering of cell membrane called sheath, exonymy that represent main core part of flagella. Structure of flagella: pillars of flagella or exonymy. Basal body part of flagella represents cartwheel-like structure made up of centrioles having 27 microtubules arranged in 9 plus 0 manner. A flagellum has 20 microtubules, 18 microtubules at periphery as 9 doublets, and 2 microtubules in center as singlets. In each doublet, there is A microtubule and B microtubule. From A microtubule, 2 bent arms, upper and lower, made up of gynic protein having ATPase activity. Each doublet connected by AB linker made up of nexin protein. In center, 2 single microtubule connected by double bridge covered by central sheath. From a microtubule of each doublet, 9 radial spokes develop. Microbodies, small, minute, vesicle-like, single membrane-bound structures having specific enzymes perform oxidation reactions found both in plant and animal cells. Peroxisome, uricosome, filled with oxidase, peroxide synthetase, glycolate oxidase, and catalase enzymes found both in plant and animal cell. In photosynthetic plant cells, peroxisome performs photorespiration. In human liver cells, peroxisome performs alcoholic detoxification, also perform beta oxidation of fatty acids. Spherosome, found only in plant cells, develops from a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, involved in synthesis and storage of lipids, also contain hydrolytic enzymes, thus called plant lysosome. Glyoxysome, specialized modified peroxisome, has glyoxylate cycle enzymes found in oily and fatty acid seeds, perform glyoxylate cycle, that is conversion of stored fats or fatty acids into carbohydrate, absent in animals. Cell inclusions: non-living, organic and inorganic reserve materials present in cytoplasm. For example, stored food, excretory and secretory materials, mineral matters, etc., also called ergastic substances. In plant cell, ribosome is only membraneless cell organelle. In animal cell, ribosome and centriole are membraneless cell organelles. Nucleus. In Latin, nucleus means kernel. In Greek, karyon, that is nucleus, also means kernel. Definition: specialized double membrane bound large dark protoplasmic body, contains all the genetic information for controlling cellular metabolism and transmission of posterity. Study of nucleus is done in non-dividing cell, interphasic cell. Nucleus represents largest cell organelle. Nucleus. Importance of nucleus for heredity, growth and cellular metabolism was proved by Hammerling by experimenting on Acetabularia, largest single cell green algae. Number: one cell must have one nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, developed nucleus absent. Mature RBC and mature tube lack nucleus. Cynocytic plant cell and syncytium animal cell have many nuclei, multinucleated. Paramecium, two nuclei, binucleated or dinucleated cell. Nucleus shape mostly round, can be oval, elliptical, irregular. In leukocyte WBC cell, nucleus is lobe structure. Eosinophils bilobe, basophils trilobe, neutrophils multilobe. Position in animal cell present in center, in plant cell present towards periphery below cell membrane due to large central vacuole. Chemical composition: protein 15%, DNA 10%, RNA 5%, lipids 3%, enzymes etc. 65%, manganese, magnesium, iron, calcium ions also present. Nucleus structure: size 5 to 25 micrometer, made up of four major parts, components: nuclear envelope or karyotheca, two parallel discontinuous membrane, outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane has 80S ribosomes and shows continuation with rough endoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear envelope separates nucleoplasm from cytoplasm. 10 to 50 nanometer space present between outer and inner nuclear membrane called perinuclear space. Nucleus, nuclear pores represent perforations in nuclear envelope, can be 1000 to 1 lakh in number, 10% of nuclear envelope. Present in the form of nuclear pore complex made up of nucleoplasmin protein or nucleoporin proteins. Nuclear pore complex has two parts: peripheral octagonal discoid structure called annulus or bleb, central pore or central channel. Controls transport of materials between nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. For example, RNA, ribosome, proteins, ions, etc. Nucleus towards periphery as well as below nuclear envelope, network of lamina or intermediate filaments present called nuclear lamina or fibrillar lamina, which controls shape of nucleus, form scaffold of chromatins and also provide attachment sites for telomeres of chromatins. Nuclear sac, nucleoplasm, karyoplasm, karyolymph. Transparent semi-fluid colloidal materials of nucleus contains nucleosides, nucleotides, enzymes like DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, endonuclease, ions like manganese, calcium, magnesium, iron, etc., and two suspended structures, that is chromatin network and nucleolus. Nucleus, nucleolus, mini nucleus, factory of ribosomes. Dark, dense, opaque, membraneless, oval, spherical or irregular structure present in nucleoplasm. Nucleolus rich in rRNA and proteins. Nucleolus has four parts: nucleolus associated chromatins, two types: perinuclear chromatins and intranuclear chromatins made up of rDNA. Nucleolus matrix or pars amorpha contains proteins. Granular part contains granules of rRNA and proteins represent ribosome precursor. Fibrillar part or nucleolonema made up of rRNA and proteins fibers represent precursor of granular part. Nucleus. Nucleolus arises or develops from secondary constriction or NOR, nucleolus organizing region of chromatins or chromosomes. Chromatin network or chromatin reticulum. Chromatin reticulum or chromatin network represents highly elaborated extended nucleoprotein fibers or filaments made up of DNA, proteins, histone and non-histone, and RNA. Represents colored threads due to ability of absorption of basic nuclear stain like acetocarmine, present in the form of overlapping crisscrossed network scattered throughout nucleoplasm, seen only in non-dividing cell. Chromatin divided in two parts. Euchromatin, part of chromatin that absorbs light or less stain, appears light in color, has less condensed or elongated DNA, having transcriptionally active or coding genes involved in protein synthesis. Heterochromatin, part of chromatin that absorbs more stain, appears dark in color, has highly condensed DNA, genes are transcriptionally less active or inactive, non-coding genes do not code for protein. Chromosome. Chroma means colored, soma means body. Represents shortest, thickest, rod-like, deeply stained threads formed due to condensation of chromatin during nuclear division, early metaphase stage. Number, structure and shape of chromosomes are fixed related to particular species. Structurally, metaphasic chromosome is made up of two identical sister chromatids attached on primary constriction region, which is also called centromere. Anaphasic chromosome, which is also called daughter chromosome, made up of single chromatid. Structure of chromosome. Metaphasic chromosome. Metaphase is best stage to study structure or morphology of chromosome. A chromosome made up of two chromatids attached at narrow constriction called primary constriction or centromere. Centromere covered by two protein plates called kinetochore. Chromosome has two arms, upper P arm and lower Q arm. Ends of chromosome called telomeres made up of single-strand DNA rich in guanosine bases. Certain chromosomes have secondary constriction nucleolus organizing region, knob-like part beyond secondary constriction called satellite. Chromosomes having satellite called sat chromosomes or marker chromosomes. In human, 5 pairs, that is chromosome number 13, 14, 15, 21 and 22 called sat chromosomes. Types of chromosomes based on position or location of centromere. Metacentric chromosome, centromere in the middle of chromosome, both P and Q arms equal in length. Submetacentric chromosome, centromere little away from center, P arm little short and Q arm little long. Echocentric chromosome, centromere just below the tip terminus of chromosome, P arm much more short, Q arm much more long. So high arm ratio, that is Q by P. Telocentric chromosome, centromere at the tip of chromosome, only one arm present. Haploid, capital N or small n, represents unpaired chromosomes. No two chromosomes are similar. No chromosome has its homologous partner. Also represents gametophyte. Diploid, 2 capital M or 2 small n, represents paired chromosomes. Each chromosome has its homologous partner. Also represents sporophyte. Karyotype, each organism has a specific set or number of chromosomes, and chromosomes possess special constant characters with reference to structure, relative size, length of arms, location of centromere, secondary constriction, satellite, etc. These special characters of chromosome that help in identification of organism called karyotype. Karyotype represents morphology of different chromosomes observed in metaphase. No two different organisms or species will have similar karyotype in all terms. Ideogram: alignment of karyotype or all chromosomes in series of decreasing order over an imaginary axis. Sex chromosome placed at last. Special giant chromosome. Polytene chromosome made up of many chromatins, more than 2000, discovered by E.G. Balbiani in salivary gland cell of Chironomus insect, also called salivary gland chromosome. Polytene chromosome has 1000 to 16,000 times more DNA as compared to normal chromosome. Length is 2000 micrometer. Polytene chromosome formed due to endomitosis, endoreduplication, failure of pulling of daughter chromosomes followed by pairing of homologous chromosomes. Structurally, polytene chromosome shows normal swelling called knobs, few large swellings called Balbiani puff, and dark and light or interbands. Lamp-brush chromosome found in primary oocyte of vertebrates like amphibians and invertebrates, represents largest chromosome with 5900 micrometer length. Lamp-brush chromosome structure represent bivalent synapsed pair of homologous chromosomes that undergone for crossing over and are attached at chiasmata point seen in dictyotene stage of prophase 1 has many loops and informosomes, mixture of nascent mRNA and proteins. Functions of cell membrane: protective covering of cell, cellular components in confined area, maintains cellular components in confined area, receives external stimuli, help in cellular connectivity between adjacent cells, involved in reproduction, secretion, excretion, signal transduction, help in transportation of materials, involved in recognition of pathogens and foreign particles, involved in recognition between self and non-self, help in absorption, maintain shape of the cell. Functions of cell wall: it gives shape and rigidity to the cell, helps in cell-to-cell interaction with the help of plasmodesmata formation. It protects cell from mechanical injuries and external stimuli. It provides barrier to invading undesirable pathogens, etc. It prevents bursting of cell in hypotonic solution or due to endosmosis. Functions of cytoplasm: it provides raw materials for functions of different cell organelles. It helps in exchange of materials between different cell organelles through cyclosis process. It helps in catabolic activities like glycolysis, anaerobic respiration, etc. Cytoplasm acts as seat for synthesis of different compounds like fat, protein, carbohydrate, etc. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum: maintain framework or structure of cell, provides raw material for lysosomal enzymes. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum involved in lipid sterol glycogen synthesis. SER help in contraction and relaxation of muscle cell. SER help in detoxification of drugs and xenobiotics in liver cell. RER, it is site for ribosome attachment and protein synthesis. ER, it help in synthesis of lipoprotein. formation of nuclear membrane during telophase. ER involved in formation of desmotubule, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in vacuole formation. Functions of Golgi body: formation of glycoprotein, that is glycosylation, and glycolipid, that is glycosidation. Cell membrane formation during cytokinesis, formation of cell plate and middle lamella, secretion of mucilage in root cap cells, formation of acrosome of sperm cell, involved in modification, packaging and transportation of materials. Functions of lysosome: lysosome involved in digestion of materials, involved in autophagy, heterophagy and extracellular digestion, involved in autodigestion, autolysis, autodissolution, help in digestion of tail of tadpole during metamorphosis. Functions of vacuole: sac vacuole, storage of materials, salts, ions, secretory and excretory substances, minerals, etc. Food vacuole, capturing and digestion of solid food material by the lysosome, digestion of material by the lysosome. Contractile vacuole, water balance and osmoregulation as well as excretion. Pseudo vacuole or gas vacuole provides buoyancy, helps in floating. Functions of mitochondria: it is involved in aerobic respiration, help in production of cellular energy, that is ATP, provide raw materials for synthesis of different compounds like chlorophyll, cytochrome, alkaloid, terpene, pyrimidine, sterol and amino acids, involved in metabolism of fatty acids. Functions of leucoplast: storage of different food materials. Amyloplast store starch, aleuroplast stores protein, lipidoplast or oiloplast stores lipid and oil. Functions of chromoplast: it provides color, it helps to attract pollinators. Functions of chloroplast: it is involved in photosynthesis, that is synthesis of food. It is also involved in storage of starch. Functions of ribosome: ribosome also called protein factory of the cell. Ribosome, it is involved in synthesis of protein process called translation. Attached ribosomes synthesize secretory proteins for extracellular use. Free ribosomes or cytoplasmic ribosomes synthesize proteins for intracellular use. Ribosome also synthesize certain protein called chaperone. Chaperone proteins assist higher level folding of other proteins. Functions of microtubules: mechanical support to the cell, maintain shape, fixing the position of cell organelles, intracellular transport of materials, formation of astral rays and spindle fibers, structural component of centriole, cilia, flagella, decide position of cell plate, chromosomal movement, that is pulling of chromosomes during anaphase. Functions of microfilament: support the cell membrane, form contractile system, help in cyclosis, that is cytoplasmic streaming, pseudopodia formation and amoeboid movement, perform cell furrow, that is cleavage furrow in animal cytokinesis, help in exocytosis and endocytosis processes. Functions of centrosome, centriole: formation of mitotic spindle apparatus, form structure of basal body of cilia, flagella, decide plane of cell division. Functions of cilia: locomotion, attachment, feeding sensation, functions of flagella, locomotion, functions of nucleus, stores genetic information in its DNA molecule, controls cellular or metabolic activity, passes genetic information required for growth, development, metabolism, reproduction, and behavior of the organisms. Nucleolus forms ribosomes. Cellular differentiation with respect to shape, size, function controlled by chromosomes. Change in genetic information causes variation. Types of chromosomes based on location or position of centromere. Metacentric chromosome, centromere in the center, V shape, also called isobrachial chromosome. Some metacentric chromosome, centromere away from the center, L shaped. Acrocentric chromosome, centromere near the tip, J shape. Some metacentric chromosome, acrocentric chromosome, also called heterobrachial chromosomes. Heterocentric chromosome, centromere at the tip, I-shaped. Acrocentric chromosome has maximum arm ratio, that is Q by P. Ribosomes are of two types, 70S type ribosome, 80S type ribosome. 70S type ribosome has 60% RNA, 40% protein. 70S type ribosome contains total 55 proteins. 80S type ribosome has 40% RNA and 60% proteins. 80S type ribosome contains total 73 proteins. Structures also called cell membrane, also called plasma membrane, also called plasma lemma, also called biomembrane. Cytosol, also called cytoplasmic matrix, also called hyaloplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum, also called system of membranes, also called framework of the cell, also called endocytoskeleton of the cell. Structures also called Golgi body, also called traffic police of the cell, also called middleman of the cell, also called director of macromolecular traffic of the cell. Lysosome, also called suicidal bag of the cell, also called cleaner or scavenger of the cell, also called disposal unit of the cell. Vacuole, also called storehouse of the cell. Structures also called mitochondria, also called powerhouse of the cell, also called energy mill of the cell, also called battery of the cell. Chloroplast, also called kitchen of the cell. Mitochondria, it represents aerobic bacteria. Chloroplast, it represents photosynthetic bacteria. Both mitochondria and chloroplast, they represent semi-autonomous cell organelles. They represent cell within cell type of cell organelles. They represent prokaryotic cells present within eukaryotic cell. They represent endosymbiotic bacteria. Structures also called ribosome, also called Pallade particle, also called protein factory of the cell, also called engine of the cell. Nucleus, also called brain or controller or regulator of the cell. Nucleolus, also called ribosome factory of the cell. Spherosome, also called plant lysosome. Ribosome represents smallest cell organelle and it also represents cell organelle within cell organelle. Nucleus, it represents largest cell organelle. Scientist discoveries. Robert Hooke, 1665. He discovered cell. He discovered dead cell. He discovered cell wall. Anton von Leeuwenhoek, 1674. He discovered living cells like amoeba, RBC, sperm cell, bacteria, etc. M.J. Sliden and Theodore Swan, 1839. They gave widely accepted cell theory. Scientist discoveries. Rudolf Virchow, 1855. He gave modern cell theory, yeah, he gave modified cell theory. Singer and Nicholson, 1972. He is famous for fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. Nageli and Kramer, they gave term cell membrane. Scientist discoveries. Preferred, he gave term plasma membrane. Plove, he gave term plasma lemma. Dujardin in 1835 discovered protoplasm and called protoplasm as sarcode. Purkinje 1839 gave term protoplasm. Julian Huxley, he said protoplasm is physical and physiological basis of life. Scientist discoveries. Strasburger, he gave term cytoplasm, he gave term plasmodesmata. Porter and Thomson, 1945, they discovered endoplasmic reticulum. Term endoplasmic reticulum given by scientist Porter. Camillo Golgi, 1898, he discovered Golgi body from nerve cell of barn owl. Scientist discoveries. Christian de Duve, 1955, discovered lysosome. Kolliker, 1880, he discovered mitochondria in insects. Scientist Altman, he called mitochondria as bioplast. Scientist C. Benda, 1886, gave term mitochondria. Scientist discoveries. Ernst Haeckel in 1866 discovered plastid. A. J. W. Schimper, 1883, gave term chloroplast. Robinson and Brown, 1953, discovered ribosome in plant cell. George Palade, 1955, discovered ribosome in animal cell and also gave term ribosome. Scientist discoveries. Talbot and Beavers discovered glyoxysome. Robert Brown, 1831, he discovered nucleus in root of orchids. Fontana, 1781, he discovered nucleolus. E.G. Balbiani, 1881, he discovered polytene chromosome. Fleming and Ruckert, 1882, they discovered lamp brush chromosome.